Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to get the ring light feature on Snapchat. But before we get to that, please consider subscribing to our channel if you're new to us. Also hit the bell icon so you do not miss any more updates from our channel. So with that being said, let's get into the video. So there's this new ring light feature on Snapchat, and if you want it, the first thing you gotta make sure is you're in the updated version of the app. So you go to your Play Store or your App Store, and here you'll search for Snapchat, and you'll make sure that you're on the latest updated version of the app. So with Snapchat, they usually roll out new features pretty slowly, so not everybody gets the feature at the same time. So somebody might have it and somebody might not. So you open up the Snapchat app, and here you have the flash button over here on the top. So if you just keep on pressing, you will get, if you have this feature on your app, you will get this ring light feature. So I'm going to show you. So if you have an Android, this is what you will see if you have this feature. So the flash is on neutral, and there's 3 color options, and you can check if you want which color option you want. Neutral, warm, or cool. And if you're on your iPhone, then this is what you'll see. If you press on the flash option for some time, you will either see a regular button or a ring flash option, and if you click turn on the toggle for ring flash, you will get this feature. So as you can see right here that I do not have this feature yet, so I'll just have to wait till Snapchat gives this feature to me, and everybody in my region gets this feature too. But until that, all I can do is just wait for the feature, and keep on make sure that the app is updated, and just wait. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this was of some help to you. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and I'll see you in the next video.